I'm going to give you something that feels unfair. Not because it's a shortcut. Not because class 11th में almost nobody realizes this opportunity even exists. Most students think serious preparation तो मैं class 12th में start करूँगा. And every year, that one decision quietly cost them months. At diverging classes, we have worked with students who eventually cracked UCED, NID, NIFT and उन लोगों की top ranks आई है. After looking at thousands of sketches over the year, एक पैटर्न बार बार रिपीट होता है. द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर्न्ट ऑलवेज द मोस्ट टैलेंटेड वन, वो बस राइट स्किल्स बिल्ड करते हैं इन द राइट ऑर्डर मच अर्लियर देन एवरीवन एल्स. और आज आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू दैट एग्जैक्ट ऑर्डर. नॉट मोटिवेशन, नॉट वेग एडवाइस, एन एक्चुअल 6-month रोड मैप, 1 hour a day, the same progression we want every class 11 student to follow. जब बाकी स्टूडेंट ये समझ रहे होंगे कि एग्जाम्स एक्चुअली क्या पूछते हैं, you already have hundreds of sketches, your first model and your first complete mock behind you. That's an unfair advantage. Why this year changes everything. But roadmap दिखाने से पहले there's something you need to understand. The exam have changed and almost nobody is talking about इसका मतलब क्या है actually. Look across all the 3 major design exams, different names, different colleges, different papers, but they all reward the same thing: creative thinking, observation, problem solving, and the ability to communicate ideas visually. मतलब the skills that cannot be memorized 2 months before the exam. You can cram formulas, you can cram facts. Sketching को cram नहीं कर सकते, design thinking को cram नहीं कर सकते. ये सिर्फ repetition से आता है. और इसीलिए class 11th is such a massive opportunity. You have something class 12th students don't have. Pressure बिल्कुल नहीं है तुम्हारे ऊपर. The biggest mistake. Every year I see students making the same mistake. They start by searching best book, best coaching, best YouTube channel. गलत सवाल. The real question is, what should I build first? क्योंकि design exam isn't random, it's sequential. Foundation skip करो and everything built top on that becomes shaky. That's why at diverging classes we always teach you skills in particular order. Not because it looks organized, बल्कि because that's how improvement actually happens. And that's exactly the roadmap I'm going to show you. July, the foundation month. July has only one goal. Teach your brain to understand space. Perspective isn't just another topic. It's a language every drawing speaks. अगर perspective weak है, object float होंगे, room flat feel होंगे, scenes won't feel believable. When examiner looks at your sketch, they don't notice it immediately. तो beautiful product sketches में rush मत करो. Don't worry about fancy rendering. Spend this month learning how space actually works. 1-point perspective, 2-point perspective, simple interiors, simple exteriors. Understand why objects become smaller as they move away. Understand eye level. Understand vanishing points. इनको memorize मत करो, इन्हें देखो. From today, every corridor, every classroom, every road becomes practice. The complete July challenge is on your screen. Pause it, screenshot it and come back. Trust me, ये month exciting नहीं लगता, but it changes everything that comes after it. August, the eye. अब कुछ interesting होता है. Your brain stops looking at objects and start observing them. That's a huge difference. Most people see a chair. तुम proportions notice करोगे. Materials, curves, joints. Why it was designed that way. This month is all about observation. Real objects, real places, real people. Draw from life. Pinterest से reference लेकर draw नहीं करना है. Real life से लेकर. And here's one rule we follow inside divergent classes. No eraser. सच में. Commit to each and every line. शुरू में your sketches will look messy and बहुत सारी mistakes होंगी. But ठीक है. Confidence comes before perfection. You will also begin drawing people from real life, markets, bus stop, cafes, schools. Because exam में लोग खड़े नहीं रहते और life में भी नहीं. Because exam में तुम लोगों को action poses में बना रहे होगे, ना कि still. The complete August challenges are on your screen. Pause, save them, and let's move ahead. September, build taste. This is the month most students ignore, and this is one of the biggest differentiator. अच्छे designers सिर्फ अच्छा draw नहीं करते. They know why good design works. They recognize great products, great postures, great typography, great furniture, and वो सब चीजें जो तुम्हें exam के लिए important लगती है. They know people who have shaped design. They know movements, craft, materials, visual language. इस मंथ यू बिल्ड टेस्ट, यू डेवलप द डिजाइनर्स आई. हर दिन स्टडी वन डिजाइनर, वन डिजाइन मूवमेंट, वन इंडियन क्राफ्ट, वन कलर पैलेट, देन क्रिएट समथिंग इंस्पायर्ड बाय इट. कॉपी मत करो, अपना दिमाग खोलो, इंटरप्रेट करो, क्योंकि इवेंचुअली योर आइडियाज बिकम द सम ऑफ एवरीथिंग यू हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड। ये सब चीजों को तुम हमारी कम्युनिटीज पे डाल सकते हो, जो कि व्हाट्सएप, टेलीग्राम एंड डिस्कॉर्ड तीनों पे है। वी हैव पुट द एंटायर सितंबर रोड मैप ऑन द स्क्रीन। पॉज हियर, सेव दिस एंड लेट्स मूव ऑन। अक्टूबर, द लीप। अब एवरीथिंग चेंजेस because this month is where drawing becomes design. अभी तक you have been learning how to communicate. Now you learn what to communicate. हर week solve real design problems. Art prompts नहीं, design problems. A lunch box for a child, a bottle for someone with weak grip, a bus stop for a heavy rain, a hotel desk for small rooms. Notice something. You are no longer asking, can I draw? You are asking, can I solve someone's problem? That single shift separates you from artist to a designer. And here's something we have noticed after reviewing thousands of submissions. The highest scoring answers are not always the prettiest one. वो usually सबसे clear होते हैं. Simple idea, clear user, strong reasoning, readable sketches. That's what wins. The complete October design challenges are on your screen. इन्हें skip मत करना. That is probably the highest ROI month in the entire roadmap. November, thinking with your hands. इस month, stop thinking only with a pencil. Start thinking with materials. Paper, wire, clay, cardboard, foam. जो भी मिले build करना start कर दो. One model every week. Not because every exams asks for it in exactly the same way, but because building teaches something sketching never can. Constant balance, structure, mechanism. You will also begin storytelling. एक idea को turn into a sequence anyone can understand. No paragraph, सिर्फ pictures. Because that's exactly great designers do. They communicate without needing long explanation. Everything you've built this month is listed on your screen. Pause, take a screenshot और याद रखना messy models are completely normal. सब वहीं से स्टार्ट करते हैं। As well as अगर तुम NID के लिए NIFT के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं भी कर रहे हो, स्टिल तुम ये चीजें प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, बिकॉज ये तुम्हारी डिजाइन जर्नी में तुम्हें बहुत हेल्प करने वाली है। क्योंकि हर साल ऐसा होता है कि जिन स्टूडेंट्स को IITs में जाना था वो NID में लैंड होते हैं, एंड जिनको NID में जाना था वो IITs में। सो यू नेवर नो क्या होने वाला एग्जाम में। प्रैक्टिस फॉर ऑल द 3 एग्जाम्स। दिसंबर, द रिवील। अब इट्स टाइम योर फर्स्ट फुल मॉक। नेक्स्ट ईयर नहीं, कोचिंग के बाद नहीं, अभी। सिमुलेट द पेपर, सिट फॉर फुल ड्यूरेशन, टाइम योरसेल्फ, रिव्यू ऑनेस्टली, फाइंड वीकनेसेस, इंप्रूव देम, रिपीट। फिर से आई वांट यू टू डू समथिंग, गो बैक, ओपन द वेरी फर्स्ट स्केचबुक फ्रॉम जुलाई, फ्लिप मत करो, just open one page. Now place it behind your last work. Same pencil, same hand, same student. 6 months apart, ये difference is why starting early matters. Not because someone told you to, क्योंकि अब you can see it. Why diverging classes exist. अब you might be thinking roadmap तो समझ आ गया, but consistent कैसे रहूँ for 6 months? That's exactly the problem we will divergent to solve. Information isn't the difficult part anymore. YouTube पे सब कुछ है यार. मुश्किल part is knowing what to do tomorrow, day after that, and next week क्या है. Right feedback लेना accountability के साथ. इसलिए our students don't just receive lectures. They follow a system. Daily tasks, weekly challenges, sketch reviews, feedbacks, mock analysis, community support. एक structured path. तो अगर तुम serious हो, go through this roadmap we've linked below. Even if you don't join us, sequence इन चीज़ों को समझो, because random preparation always feels busy without actually making you better. Even नीचे link दे रखा है, you can join our 7-day free trial access of the new batch that is specifically for 11th class students. And even इस नंबर पे मैसेज करके you can get a free trial class from us, as well as हमारी कम्युनिटीज को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, जहाँ पे हम फ्री DPPs एंड कई सारे रिसोर्सेज शेयर करते रहते हैं, जो कि टेलीग्राम, व्हाट्सएप, डिस्कॉर्ड तीनों पे ही है। एज वेल एज वी आर ऑल्सो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, जहाँ पे हम काफी रिलेटेबल एंड फनी कंटेंट भी डालते रहते हैं। वहाँ पे सारी क्लासेस के इन्फॉर्मेशन सबसे पहले आती है, तो डू फॉलो अस देयर टू। जाने से पहले आई हैव 3 थिंग्स फॉर यू। फर्स्ट, आज ही फर्स्ट स्केच बनाओ अपना, कल नहीं, आज। 10 minutes, any object around you, that's the first brick. Second, comment below your target, USEED, NID, NIFT, और ये भी बताओ why do you want it? I genuinely read those comments and they will help me decide what videos to make next. Finally, save this video, and ये एक बार देखने वाली वीडियो नहीं है, it's kind of video you want to come back to हर मंथ की शुरुआत में, जिससे कि you have a clear mindset what to do now. You won't remember every sentence I said. तुम्हें वो हैबिट याद रखनी होगी जो तुम्हें बिल्ड करनी है। मोस्ट स्टूडेंट्स विल वेट अंटिल क्लास 12th। तुम्हें वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है। यू फाउंड द रोड मैप अर्ली, अब इसे यूज करो, एंड आई विल सी यू ऑन द अदर एंड। बाय बाय गाइस, हैव अ नाइस डे।